Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator. Into this video, I'll show you how to create a new project setting in Adobe Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Make sure you click on File and proceed to New. Then here you go. You have different templates right here. So from the top right here, you have some of the saved templates from these particular sections right here. Or better still, you have mobile templates. If you want to design app in Illustrator, you have mobile templates right here. So under the mobile template, you have different types of room formats that has already been in the custom template right here. The next to it right there is web templates. So if you want to design a web graphics, you have some of the ready-made templates right here that you can easily click on it and then you choose the layout for your web graphics. So you can see different templates right here for web graphics. Next to it right here is print design. So if you want to create print templates, you want to create flyer, banner, business card, or any type of print template, you can use these particular sections right here. These are ready-made templates. If eventually you do not know actual size of whatever you want to design, you can choose any of the templates right here as far as Illustrator is concerned. In another way around, if you know your size of the template you want to create, you can go on and create a custom template right here. So I want to use this as an example, print template in Illustrator. So I will go to preset details right here. So from the top right here, I will simply enter the name of my design. So I'm going to call this testing design. Okay. Now let's say for instance the design you want to create has to do with inches. So for that, go ahead and click on this point right here. So here, make sure you switch to inches right here. You have to click on inches. So after you switch on inches, you have the detail in inches right here. Now once you switch to inches, so by default you see that this particular template is in a default template which is A4 size. Okay. Now we can decide to switch from A4 size to another setting entirely. Let's say I want to make it 10 inch by 15 inch. So I have to come to the width. So I'm going to type in 10 right here. Then I'll come to the height. So I want to make the height to be something like 12. So I will go ahead and make it. I'm going to type in 12 right here. Okay. Now once I'm done right here, then I'll have to make sure I choose the orientation. So the orientation right here has to do with landscape or portrait as far as the artwork is concerned. So here I can decide to make it, I can decide to switch from portrait to landscape right here. So go ahead and select whatever orientation of design you need. Then from the artboard right here, this is depends on the type of page you want to create. So here I'm going to leave it in one page right here. Then come down right here, make sure CMYK is chosen because this is a print template. Then make sure your resolution is always 300 pixels so that you don't lose the quality when you want to print out your project. Finally, come down below right here, go ahead and click on create. So here we go, successfully create a new page. Then from here, we can start to create our design based on the custom template we just created so far in Adobe Illustrator. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software for any type of design, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.